Alright, hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. We just got back from working on our stands in the back of the property, getting those ready for the deer season this year, and I'm back out at the camp. And for this particular meal, I'm making John and I both a can of Wendy's chili. So the reason why we're going to split this is because I'm looking at the ingredients on the back and the one can. I mean, wow, 37% of your daily cholesterol, 75% of your daily sodium, 45% of your saturated fats, and that's per one can. That's 470 calories. So not exactly a healthy option, but you know what, I saw this on the shelf and I figured, well, I'm just going to try it. I usually don't eat a lot of beef. If you notice in all my videos, or most of my videos, I'm always dealing with chicken. That's due to some health issues that I have with eating red meat, so I try to focus on chicken mostly. But this is beef chili with beans. I used to thought that the chili at Wendy's was made with leftover hamburgers from the day before, but obviously they're not doing that if they're canning this, though. But we're going to go ahead and give this a shot. I just got to use my can opener to open it, but I've got my seatosummit 1/4 pot. I'm just going to use that. I've been using it for the past couple days, which you saw in some of my other videos, but I'm just going to pop this open with the can opener, get this in the pot, and we'll get the stove lit and start cooking it. Just a quick meal today, so stay tuned. Alright everybody, so we got the stove lit, so I'm just going to go ahead and put my Kelty seatosummit 1/4 pot on there. I'm just going to pop open this can of chili, and we'll see what we get. Alright, let's see if this works. My Gerber Complete spoon. Whoop. Okay. Alright. Well, that's, oops, a little drip there. Okay. Well, got it all out. Well, that definitely looks like, I'll put this over to the side. Make sure it gets out. Well, it definitely looks like, I'll turn down the gas a little bit. It definitely looks like Wendy's chili like you'd get at Wendy's. I can see the beans, I can see the big chunks of beef in there. I can see some, looks like green pepper maybe. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Yeah, it looks like a little piece of green pepper or something in there. I'm not sure, but alright, we'll go ahead and let this kind of heat up, and then John and I will give it a sample of this and see what it tastes like. So, hey, I don't know, I saw it on the shelf, thought, hey, why not try it? So, but again, not the healthiest of canned chilies. Not that most of them are healthy, but we'll give this a shot, and as soon as it's ready, we'll give you the taste test. Stay tuned, everybody.
All right, everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Science Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciencescientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small, personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box.
Alright everybody, so this is done cooking. I'm going to go ahead and lift the lid. Oh yeah, that is delicious. Turn the gas off and you can see, oh, there it is, that bubbling bowl of Wendy's chili. It looks pretty much like you would get it at the restaurant, just in can form. I see plenty of beans and big chunks of meat and maybe some green peppers in there, I guess. I didn't see that on the can, but I didn't look that close. But yeah, I mean, it just kind of looks like what you would get at the restaurant. So I don't know, we're gonna give it a try and give it a taste here and see what it tastes like. So oh yeah, it's definitely Wendy's chili. So yeah, that's actually pretty good. So, well, I think John actually just went in for a nap, so it looks like this may be all mine to eat. So maybe I'll try a little bit later and then save some for later on, because I just still don't think I really want to eat all of this chili. So yeah, but it is actually really good for a quick meal when you're camping or on the trail or whatever. Just a quick can of food. Yeah, not too bad. So stove again working great. My seatosummit pot awesome. The Gerber complete spoon is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and sample this a little bit more. Thanks everybody for watching, and please, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll have another video for you soon. Take care, everybody.
Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.